Hello everyone, ja będę here. In today's video I have a TESA T-10 dimple lock. This lock has 10 pins in 2 rows which are located opposite each other. The main stacks are located at the bottom of the keyway and the other 5 pins are located in a row at the top of the keyway. The pins on the bottom row has a stronger springs and push against the top pins, making them overset. When you start picking this lock and begin tensioning, you need to know that at least a few pins from the top row are oversetted. Usually the ones with the lowest cuts. So here pin number 3 and number 5 from the top row. Usually the lowest cut pins bind first and then will binding slightly at the very beginning. You need to set them. The trick is to loosen the tensioner only for a second. At the same time hold the already set pins from the bottom row with a pick. This allows the overset pins from the top row to fall down. In this lock all pins are gently tapered, but in principle this does not create any difficulties and they behave like standard ones. Once I've picked, I will do a gutting and I will show you all internals. Lock is working. For picking I will use normal flag and this kind of Z-bar tensioner. Okay, so let's pick this lock. Alright, this is TESA T-10. So let's pick. Counterclockwise tension, and we will start the bottom pins. Pin number 3 is slightly binding and pin number 5 is slightly binding. Now I will hold this pin and will try to drop pin number 5 from the top row. Now pin number 3 from the top row, and again pin number 5. Let's check. Okay, I think the pin number 3 on the top row was already on the overset. Now it's good, so pin number 1 on the bottom is binding hard, is set. Now pin number 2 from the bottom, 3 is set, pin number 4, and the lock is open. So pin number the top pins was set during the setting the main stack. So now let's gut this lock.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Okay, so lock is got it. Here we have the chambers from the main stack, keyway chambers, and chambers from the top row. So let's check the pins. Let's start from the pins from the bottom row. All key pins looks like that, and all drivers are slightly tapered, but as I said earlier, they are not any problem. So the key pins from the top row all looks like that. They are all standard with very slightly tapering at the end, and drivers from the top row looks like that. So quite a fun lock, not too hard. With this trick with a losing tensioner, it is quite simple to pick. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.